Steve from Out and About Healthcare, and we're here today to show you the latest innovation by Heartway medical products. The new Chase electric wheelchair, very first one to be designed in the world with a carbon fibre frame. Carbon fibre because it enables the chair to become extremely light while holding many of the upmarket features. The Chase, to start with, comes with a therapeutic comfortable seat designed for long-term sitting while out shopping, visiting, holidays, travelling. Also has an adjustable armrest for easy getting into the chair, where it folds down with a push of a button. This armrest also has the feature of height adjustable. So there are a number of height adjustable heights for the armrest to allow a customer to find their extra comfort. Not only that, the armrests are designed with a curving feature for comfort also. As well as that, the armrests have installed into them a reflector for safety while out travelling. The beauty about the Chase is its carbon fibre frame throughout the whole wheelchair. Carbon fibre crossbars. You got your pneumatic tyres for extra comfort and softness, which can be changed to be solid tyres. When you look at the Chase, one of the great features about the Chase is the platform. This platform has been designed to make it easier to get in and out of the chair. So for a lot of customers, you can actually stand on the platform. It's designed there with all the safety to get in and sit into the seat of the chair. As well as that, the hand control comes with an easy drop-down function for easy getting close to tables. So when you're out shopping, when you're around the house, at the restaurant, you can actually use this chair as a seat at the restaurant. The folding mechanism of the Chase is absolutely amazing. It takes approximately 2 to 3 seconds to fold up. Simply put your hand under the back of the seat, push the lever up front. It's now folded, ready to go in the boot of the car. The other great feature of the Chase is the design. The design has been designed where they've integrated a handle piece to lift to make it easier to lift, yet it doesn't look like a handle. The beauty of this is it enables the chair to be lifted by one person, or if you prefer, 2 people lift for ease of getting into the car. Moving to the back of the Chase, we have the new designed lithium battery with its own computer chip to protect the lithium battery design. The beauty about the lithium battery just slides out with ease. That's it. If you're travelling overseas, put that in your luggage straight onto the cabinet. You do not have to put extra packaging and covering for the lithium battery. It is an absolutely amazing machine coming with a full lithium battery claim safe certificate. But our lithium battery in the Chase is totally different to most other products on the market. The lithium battery is in its own case, so you don't have to get another case to carry it onto the plane. The other thing is that the lithium battery has a computer chip. That computer chip is designed to protect the battery. Now you've got your lithium battery, your full wiring and setup, your computer chips, your monitoring systems, everything you need to protect the battery. Your battery is cased once, it's then cased twice for extra protection for you, the user. It has been proven that these batteries, they are cheaper than standard batteries in the long term because of their capability of taking a full drain. So, enabling the person riding the chair to actually get up to 30% further distance on a charge. The other great feature about the Chase, if I tipped it on its side, Heartway think of everything. They're engineers who have been in the industry for many, many years, and now we're looking at their design underneath. A lot of people don't look underneath a wheelchair. Very important. What they've done is put a full cover to protect all the wiring and computer systems within the Chase from weather. Now, vitally important in Australia, particularly with the amount of rain we get, that if you're out and you're driving, it's been raining, there's water on the ground, you don't want water splashing up underneath into the electronics. And the Chase has that beautiful protective cover and design. Out and About Healthcare, Steve, talking to you today about the latest design by Heartway, the Chase.